Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on Bumble. You click on settings. Here you go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Bumble app. Here you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.